Welcome to another video here. This week we are working on the turbo kit. So I got all this stainless steel, it's all 3-inch, and I'm gonna try to go into that big ass turbo. Come down here, there it is, and there's our header set up. So right now I'm just kind of contemplating on ideas with this, on which angle I want this at, if I want it up or down. So got some thinking to do, got some looking over to do, and got a ton of welding to do. So let's get started. So as you can see, we got half of it done. Some tacks in there. Fits pretty good. It was kind of a tough one just because of how short of a run it is, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Now we're working on getting the other side done. It'll be a much easier run. We're just kind of 180ing up from here and then 90ing right into there. And wastegates will kind of meet up down in the bottom, which is what I like. I like them close together so the plumbing's really easy. But so far it's been testing us, but it's not the worst project in the world. So we got the other side done. They're both over here. Here's the one, and then there's the other one. Now I just gotta weld them into this flange under here, and then we should be good to go. But I just gotta get the car up in the air so I can kind of sit under here and make some nice dimes. Hey guys, so it's a couple days later. I had to get my welder set up so I could backfeed on stainless steel. So I got this little Y fitting from Toll in Rosemount and got her set up, and it seems to be working okay. So I've been going around a few pipes here and they're not looking too bad. The fitment was all right. It could have been better, but it is my first one, and so far it's really not going too bad. It definitely takes some practice, and it is super hard. So everyone who's super good at it is pretty badass because it is some tough shit. But I'm figuring it out, and so far it's looking pretty decent. And I'm gonna keep at it here, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Well, the hot side is welded and on. Got one little tiny spot in there that I'll ask Nate if he can weld. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Fitment was decent. It definitely warped a little bit, but not too bad for the first one ever. I love the way it looks. Just got to do wastegate pipes on it, and that's it. Well, Dylan is here with the RX-7. It's finally done. It's finally running, and every time it makes it in my driveway, something goes wrong. Every time. So we'll give her a jump and go for a ride. She's running. Nothing a little push start won't do.